DCS is another powerful professional grill. However, it claims to be an all-sear grill, meaning you can sear in every inch rather than buying a pro with a sear element like Hestan or Lynx. It's a bold claim because DCS does not use infrared sear technology like their main competitors, Lynx and Hestan. So we tested the DCS by cooking steak tips, burgers, hot dogs, zucchini, onions, peppers, and then roasting a chicken on the rotisserie. It's an interesting grill, but not for everyone. Let's get started. The grill is all 25,000 B2 burners. Only Kalamazoo, Lynx, and Hestan offer similar construction and B2 output. However, DCS is more ceramic than any other grill. These ceramic rods effectively retain heat and stay hotter than almost every other grill. Kalamazoo may have higher heat in their hybrid grills because of their charcoal and wood drawers. You do have a hotter grill, but also the rods effectively evaporate grease as well. Well, you don't have an infrared burner. This grill can sear effectively on every part of this grill. Rotisserie is excellent and can hold 50 pounds and has an 18,000 BTU infrared source of heat behind it. That's excellent. It's way better than a Weber or any other regular grill. However, it's the same identical output of a Hestan or Lynx. The overall construction of both series is the same. The Series 9 can be angled or flat for different types of cooking. Angle is better for grease management, but your hot dogs can roll off the grill as well. The Series 7 has a smoker burner, while the Series 9 has a far more efficient smoker tray. You'll learn about the smoker tray later in the video. The Series 9 is available in 36 and 48 inches. The Series 7 is available in 30 inch as well. It burned the asparagus in under 5 minutes. You had a sear in the steak in less than 6 minutes. Like the other pro grills, DCS has the 25,000 BTU per burner. However, the ceramic rods do absorb and retain a ton of heat. For meat, it cooks quickly. However, you'll have to stay on top of the less dense and more water-soluble foods like fish, fruits, or in this case, vegetables. The grease management system is excellent. In fact, after cooking 30 of those steak tips, they had zero grease in the tray. The 20 or so burgers created a small pool of grease, but much less than you would ever expect. Unfortunately, the rotisserie burners is situated lower than a Lynx, so it's hard to clean the back of the grates of the DCS. Cleaning is easier with a hot grill. To clean the back of the grill, you'd have to wait until it's cool, then lift the grill up and then scrape it. It's mildly annoying and just somewhat inconvenient. I would have bet no. However, the smoker tray does infuse flavor on the grilling surface. You can control the smoke by opening and controlling the aperture of the tray to let more or less smoke into the barbecue. The smoker tray was a pleasant surprise. The tray is situated directly in the ceramic burners. It far surpasses the results from the Series 7, which is a slide-in drawer. Last year, the Series 9 was not available. This year, at least in Boston, DCS is the only professional grill readily available. Lynx will have issues until 2023. Hestan and Kalamazoo are quoting 8-week lead times. Yes, you may have to, because buying the others will be tough. It is a powerful grill. If you cook tons of meat, then DCS is great for you. The smoker tray is a unique way to infuse your food with more flavor. However, be careful when cooking at lower temperatures. DCS is an all-sear professional grill, but does not cook well at lower temperatures. So be careful with less dense and more water-soluble foods. Click the link in the description to download our free barbecue buying guide to learn more about DCS and other pro grills for your cookouts this summer. Thanks for watching.